Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm Mark, and in today I'm unboxing something very special. Father Christmas brought our boys some remote control cars, and by mistake I bought one on Amazon as well. Now rather than send it back, I've actually kept it for myself because these are so cool. It's the Bezgar Speed Legend, and it's the metal series, and these are fantastic, guys. Just under £30 from Amazon. I put a link in the bottom so you can have a look at them, and these are just fantastic remote control cars. So let's just open it up. So firstly, here's your remote control. Guys, one thing we have noticed is when you charge the car up, make sure you switch the batteries on these as well, because it really does run the battery power down actually driving the vehicles. So if you do go out somewhere, make sure you've got new batteries in the remote control. So in the box we have the beast. So a power super high speed buggy, metal frame, it's got great suspension, and the wheels are quite soft, so it goes over quite rugged terrain as well. And all that's left in the box is a manual and the battery pack. So if we just open this up, good news is, guys, you get 2 sets of batteries, and we found that you probably get about 10 to 15 minutes of playtime with each battery set. So to go through 2 of those, you probably go through 1 set of batteries in the remote controller as well. Because these do run really fast and they've got a good range, 60 metres, we go to a local because these are extremely fast and have got a good range up to 60 metres, we go to a local car park on a Sunday when it's empty, and we just play with both cars and race them about. And what you'll find is each battery pack will last about 10-15 minutes, so you've got half an hour of driving. And you'll find that your batteries are in your remote controller will probably last for these 2 battery packs within the car. So on your next trip, make sure you change your batteries in remote control, because you may have these recharged but your car won't run if those are dead. And we should have in here our lead to charge up these batteries. Right, so we've got a screwdriver and a set of screws, and this is a USB charger, so just plug that in the back of your computer, or we've got adapter plugs for our house where we can plug in a USB cable and charge it up. It's recommended for the first charge you do at least 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours, and then after that, guys, just a 4-hour charge. So what we tend to do, we know that we're going to play with our cars on a Sunday, that's our fun day, and I charge all the batteries up during the week, so we're all ready to rock and roll for Sunday. Make sure I put in new batteries in the remote controller, and we have a lot of fun, which I'm about to show you now. Go. Guys, these are just brilliant. It says minimum age of 6, but our 4-year-old drives these without any problem whatsoever. The only problem with him is he runs along with it and tries to catch up with it. But our 6-year-old stands where he is and he's just driving it all around the car park. He can zoom it up 60 metres all the way back and get it through my legs without a problem. So they're very easy to steer, and they really do zoom along. They have hit the curb a couple of times and literally just bounce off. Yeah, every time they hit a curb I go, oh no, you know, have they done any damage to it? but they probably hit the curb probably 10-20 times, no damage whatsoever. So they are quite robust as well. I thoroughly recommend these. These are so good. I'm glad I've got this spare one by mistake. You know, Father Christmas got the other two, and I've got this for Daddy's toy. Guys, one thing I forgot to mention, we've got the red version as well as the black, because then they come under two different radio frequencies and there isn't a problem. Both vehicles are built just the same, just different colours, and I think they're fabulous. Hope you enjoy it, guys. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Bezgar Power Super High Speed Metal Series car. Fantastic car, really enjoy playing with it, and I'm sure we're going to get a lot of playtime out of this in the future as well. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget, hit the red button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching again, guys. Take care. God bless.